I'm calling the cops.
Dude, I'm over this.
Yeah, I know, I hear you.
It's gonna be an hour till we even get a game in.
I have an idea.
Why'd you bring us here, Jay?
Open your eyes, Tay. It says open house. And on Zillow, it said this place had a pickleball court.
We're going to a stranger's property we don't know to play some pick?
Open house, open play. Follow my lead.
Hello, welcome to our open house.
Hi,
I'm Jerry.
Jay. This is my baby bro, Tay.
Pleasure to meet you, Jerry.
Nice to meet you, Tay and Jay. What brings you guys in today?
Yeah, so we're looking for an investment property with a pickleball court.
Great.
And we heard you had a pickleball court and we wanted to test it out.
Absolutely, that should be fine. Let's take a look at the house and I'll show you where the courts are at.
No, we'll just let's just go straight to the courts.
Okay, well, they're right this way.
Cool.
So here they are, 2 pickleball courts with a lake view.
What do you think, Jay?
It's got potential, Tay. You got a ball?
You bet.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
So what do you guys think?
Too soon to tell, Jerry.
nice shot, Jay.
Thanks, Tay.
Okay, I'll check back.
Thanks, Jerry.
So what do you guys think now?
Still thinking about it, Jerry.
So did you guys decide yet?
Testing the second court now, Jerry.
What about now?
Still testing all the shots, Jerry.
It's getting kind of late, guys.
Don't rush us, Jerry.
Come on, Jerry.
I like it, Jerry, but I'm not sure about it yet, Jerry.
Ready when you are, Tay.
Let's run it.
All right, 8-4 on the 2.
Hey, what's going on? Who are these guys?
Woo! Jerry, relax. This is Winter
What's up?
and Joey.
Nice land, Jerry.
We needed to test a doubles match too.
Jay, this has gone too far. You guys gotta leave.
Have you ever played pickleball before, Jerry?
What?
What my friend Jay is asking is,
Have you ever played pick before?
Jerry.
No, I actually haven't.
So let me get this straight, Jerry. You're trying to sell a home with a pickleball court.
And you haven't played pick before?
0-0 on the 2.
Let's go, Jerry, let's go!
Let's go, Jerry!
Jerry's the man!
Good shot, Jerry!
This is so damn fun.
It's addicting, brother.
I can see why you never want to leave.
Seriously, I've been crashing open houses with pickleball courts for years. And each time I do it, I never want to leave.
Wait, what?
What?
If you guys ever show up here again, I'm calling the cops.
Well, that lasted longer than I expected.
So what now, Jay?
Well, Tay, the day's still young. And there's another open house that's going on right now that has 3 pickleball courts.
3 pickleball courts.
Over here we have the pool, and here are the courts.
Nice. You got a ball, Tay?
I got a ball, you bet, Jay.
So, what do you think?
Still deciding, Shauna.
Gonna need more time.
Okay, so I'll be back. I'll check back in.
Okay. 10-2 on the 1.
What the hell is going on? Who are all these people?
Shauna, relax. We just wanted to test out a mini tournament to see if we like it.
All right, everyone, get off the courts now.
Already?
What's Jerry doing here?
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. We had a great time shooting it. This property is actually for sale. 3 houses on it, 2 pickleball courts, zone commercial up front. Give me a call at 951-370-4894.
What's Jerry doing here?